Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to copy the data from source worksheet to destination worksheet by selecting the required range through input box. Before executing the macro, first I created a folder on my desktop, and in that folder I placed these three workbooks. First one is coding workbook, second one is destination workbook, and third one is source workbook. Here I considered three scenarios. First one is source worksheet and destination worksheet exists in the coding workbook. So in sheet 2 I have some data. By using VBA macros I am going to copy the data from sheet 2 to sheet 3. Sheet 3 is my destination worksheet and sheet 2 is my source worksheet. Click on copy in coding workbook button. From the displayed input box, here I am selecting the range. After selecting the range, click on OK. Next I am going to select the destination range to paste the data. So I want to paste the data from C3 cell. Click on OK. Activate sheet 3. Here we can find data copied from sheet 2 to sheet 3. Next I am selecting only single column. Let us see. Here we can find data copied from source to destination. Now let us check the coding part. Click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic, double click on Coding Workbook module. This is the complete code. First I declared a variable to define the active workbook, which is coding workbook. Thereafter I declared a variable to define the range, which is named as source range. Set source range is equal to, here I mentioned application.input box. In that input box I mentioned select the source range to copy as prompt, and here I mentioned the title. Thereafter here I mentioned type 8. Type 8 considers selected data as range. If we mention as 0, it considers text. Thereafter I define one more variable which is named as destination range. Again here I am using input box. Through input box I am selecting the destination range. Coming to type, I mentioned as 8, so this is important. At the end I mentioned source range dot copy destination range. So this is the complete code. Now let us move to next scenario. Coming to second scenario, I am considering source worksheet and destination worksheet in the selected workbook. Click on second button. From the generated dialog box I am selecting source workbook. Click on open. Next I am selecting the source. Click on OK. Next I am selecting the destination. Click on OK. Open the folder. Open the source workbook. This is the source worksheet, and here we can find data copied in destination worksheet. I am closing this workbook. Now let us check the coding part. This is the procedure name. Copy the data by selecting the workbook. So this is the complete code. First I defined a variable which is named as source file name. S file name is equal to, here I am using get open file name method of application object to select the required workbook. After that I am using open method of workbooks object and opening the workbook by using source file name variable. Thereafter I defined a variable which is named as source workbook and object data type is workbook. Set source workbook is equal to active workbook. Thereafter I defined a variable which is named as source range. Set source range is equal to application dot input box. In that input box at the end I mentioned type as 8. Thereafter I declared one more variable which is named as destination range. Set destination range is equal to, I am selecting the range by using input box. Next I am copying the source range and pasting it destination range. Here I mention application dot cut copy mode is equal to Excel copy. At the end I am saving the source workbook. Thereafter I am closing the source workbook. At the end of the program I am nullifying the variables. So this is the complete code. Third scenario is copy the data from source workbook to destination workbook. Click on third button. First I am selecting the source workbook. Click on open. Thereafter I am selecting the destination workbook. Click on open. Next I am selecting the source range. Here from source workbook I selected the range. Click on OK. Thereafter I am selecting the destination. Click on OK. Now application copied the data from source to destination. Now I am opening destination workbook. Here we can find data copied successfully. Now let us check the coding part. This is the complete code. First I selected the source workbook by using get open method of application object. Thereafter I declared a variable for that workbook. And again I selected one more workbook and declared a variable which is named as destination workbook. Thereafter I selected the source range by using input box. At the end I mentioned type as 8. Next I selected one more range which is named as destination range by using input box. At the end I copied from source range to destination. Saved the source workbook. Thereafter closed the same. Saved the destination workbook. Thereafter closed the same. At the end nullified the variables. So this is the explanation about the coding procedure. In this way we can copy the required data from source worksheet to destination worksheet. Hope this template is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.